305 carbureted. And there's the fuel tank. The engine overflow ran into the fuel pump, back out to the quadra junk, and away it goes. The Riviera by Buick. Now it's not going to start. That's so much smoke. This will be our fuel tank. Radiator recovery going into the fuel pump up to the quadra junk.
It's running.
It's that stupid power antenna, man. Custom bumper, as always. Custom flat tires. Power windows, power locks. 1985 model. Chevy 305. With a squeaky power steering belt. That's a nice exhaust. Shiny new Buick Riviera.
Go!
Concert sound and electronic touch climate. That's an asshole back there. She rides like a dream. No.
Can I lift this up? Can we?
Not a smoke.
Which one do I hit?
The 1985 Buick Riviera. It did have those sexy custom hubcaps on the front, but they had to go. Tires were flat. 305 Chevrolet engine with a 4-barrel quadra-jet carburetor. And custom smoke option. Oh yes, front-wheel drive, if you can believe it. Down there's the transmission going that way to some drive shafts. Front-wheel drive, 1985 model with a V8 and no exhaust. Move, Nick. That smoke's not engine smoke, it's generated smoke. Doing a burnout. He's an idiot. What do you think?
That thing's a piece of junk, dude.